Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, for this vlog, I will make a crispy salmon belly strips using my air fryer. Well, simple recipe, but it's a tasty one and a delicious one. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other air fryer recipes here, and do check out my playlist. So for now, let's start cooking. After marination, spray some oil and air fry for 7 minutes in 400°F. Then flip it to have an even result. Then do it again for 7 minutes to total of 14 minutes cooking. Well, this is our food, air-fried salmon belly strips. Well, very simple recipe, but very delicious. Again, thank you for watching this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other air fryer recipes here. Very crispy and delicious. Super crispy.